Field, Europe's largest bank by assets, HSBC, said it would accelerate its restructuring plan, slashing costs further than previously suggested. The bank made the announcement as it posted a quarterly profit before tax of $3.1 billion, down 35% from the same period last year. Details of this and more in our international business roundup.
HSBC's revenues were also down 11% to $11.9 billion, with $3.2 billion coming from its business in Asia. The bank hasn't yet said if its plan to accelerate its restructure will mean more job losses. HSBC first announced plans to cut 35,000 jobs in February, but put the plan on hold amid the pandemic. But after a 65% drop in pre-tax profits for the first half of the year, the bank said in August that it would accelerate the plan. It said this quarter's revenues fell mainly because of the impact of lower interest rates and a lower share of profit from its Saudi subsidiary. Elsewhere, Chinese financial tech giant Ant Group looks set to make the world's largest stock market debut. Ant, backed by Jack Ma, billionaire founder of e-commerce platform Alibaba, is set to sell shares worth about $34.4 billion on the Shanghai and Hong Kong stock markets. Advisors to Ant set the share price on Monday amid reports of very strong demand from major investors. Ant, an online payments business, is only selling about 11% of its shares, but the pricing values the whole business at about $313 billion. Finally, the future of the UK's £34 billion aerospace sector is at risk if ministers do not reach a deal with the European Union over the mutual recognition of parts, the aviation trade body ADS says. It said a deal would not form part of any post-Brexit trade deal, despite the sector employing 110,000 people. Currently, the UK is the world's second largest aerospace manufacturer, but ADS said that without an agreement, customers would go elsewhere or UK-based businesses choose to relocate. The warning comes as global aircraft orders slowed to nearly zero in September due to a slump in demand caused by the pandemic. Just 13 aircraft were ordered in the 3 months from July to September, according to data from ADS. Betty Kiptum, Channel One Business.